The emergence of plant-based diets, often referred to as vegetarianism or veganism, dates back to the ancient times when early human societies began to develop agricultural practices around 10,000 years ago. These initial agricultural innovations allowed for a greater reliance on plant sources as food due to their higher yield and sustainability compared to hunting and gathering. The shift towards more varied diets emerged in regions with favorable climates capable of supporting large populations through crop cultivation. In the early 20th century, significant advancements were made in nutrition science, which further solidified the nutritional adequacy of a wholly plant-based diet. This coincided with growing awareness about environmental impacts from meat production and consumption, leading to increased interest among health-conscious individuals seeking sustainable eating practices. Key turning points include the publication of influential books, such as Diet for a Small Planet by Francis Moore Lappé in 1971, which popularized plant-based diets globally. Today, millions worldwide adopt vegetarian or vegan lifestyles due to concerns about health, animal welfare, and environmental sustainability. Studies indicate that vegetarian and vegan diets can reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and certain types of cancer by up to 40%, partly attributed to lower levels of saturated fats and cholesterol. Conversely, there are challenges in transitioning from a meat-based diet to a plant-based one, particularly for individuals with high protein needs or those who do not consume enough essential nutrients like vitamin B12. Despite these hurdles, the global vegan population is projected to double by 2050, driven by growing environmental awareness and health consciousness. Future improvements in synthetic nutrient supplements could further facilitate broader adoption of plant-based diets, ensuring balanced nutrition for all dietary choices.